Hello children, today we are going to do some fun activity with the letters and today's letter is letter Z. Z says Z, 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 0, Z, Z, 0, Z, Z, 0. Z says Z, 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 zebra, Z, Z, zebra, Z, Z, zebra. Z says Z, 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 zip, Z, Z, zip, Z, Z, zip. So children, we learned Z says Z, 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 zebra. And today we are going to make a zebra from the letter Z. For that I have taken the letter Z on this worksheet. Also I have a crayon and some paper cutouts to make the zebra. First we will take this black crayon and color the letter Z thoroughly. So now we will start coloring the letter. While we are coloring, we should make sure that we will not leave any white space. Parents, if you wish to order 26 worksheets from Fun with Alphabet series, you can check the description box below along with the materials. So children, I have completed coloring the letter Z with black color. And do you know what color is zebra? It is black and white. It is black but it has white stripes. And that is why we have colored the letter Z black. Now we will make it stripes with the help of this white paper cutouts. So I will take one by one these cutouts and apply some glue on it like this gently and then place them one by one on the letter Z like this. We will take another sheet of cutout and then place them like this beside it. Now I am placing the last stripe over here. So the body of the zebra is ready. But where is the head? It is here. So now we will take some more glue and apply it behind the head of the zebra like this. And gently place it over here like this. See, you can, if you want, you can little bit dab on it. And what about the tail? So now lastly we will put the tail of the zebra. We will take some glue, apply it little bit on the back of the tail and place it over here like this. See children, our zebra is ready. Isn't it looking very pretty? Yes. So what did we learn today children? We learned that Z says Z. Z, Z, zebra. I hope you had fun during this activity. Thank you. I hope you loved this real video by Real Educators. Please do subscribe to our channel